And your trade withdrawal is now verified, bro. Oh my God, man. That is the most I have ever withdrawn. Hey! Undefeated month still, bro. On a Wednesday. And we out on the yacht, bro. My phone is missing. Everybody looks for it. Nobody can find it. If anybody can help me, bro. $100,000 cash prize. Like all my hard work, bro. The reason why I'm worried is I have my crypto on that phone. And so that's like
is it stored on that phone or is it just electronically?
No, it's like stored on that phone. It's like essentially my ledger. Yeah. What's up, guys? We're back with another vlog, and just like always, we're gonna jump straight into the fundamentals. Here you guys can see we have no high impact news releases scheduled today, but what I did find was this. Iran's Tasnim news agency. We were told by a source that the US has agreed to waive Iran's oil sanctions during the negotiation. And I'm immediately taking this as a bullish remark for indices, as it's an optimistic signal for the war coming to an end. So I jump on my charts and you guys can see NAS has already rallied up, but it is in a pullback right now. And same with US 30, pushing up, but is in a pullback right now. Now we need to wait for the right confirmation to take these long. If you drop to the minute one on Dow Jones, you'll see we have this zone over here, which price comes into and does bearish, indecisive, and now we're looking for the bullish at the 50 level. We've also got these zones on NASDAQ. You guys can see this one breaks this structure over here, doesn't get played into, and this one breaks this structure over here, doesn't get played into. So want to see how price reacts out of those areas. As it currently stands, US 30 is rejecting out of this area here, but knowing that I'm fundamentally bullish, I can now use this area here as my take profit. We finally got that close above the 50, so we're going to be entering US 30, and we're still going to be monitoring NASDAQ to see what happens there too. No confirmation on NASDAQ, so now what I'm going to do is just start drawing out the other zones. So you guys can see there's one over here that we could potentially be looking at, and if it's not in there, then it doesn't matter. I don't care if it rejects straight out of here, gives me everything else the same, I would not be taking it. I have to follow my rule set to the exact way that it's supposed to be played. Not only that, but look at US 30 right away, getting a very nice push literally right away, bro. This is a bigger stop loss on US 30 than I usually use, but once again, I'm taking what the markets give me. Today, it's giving me this 1 to 0.9 risk to reward ratio, and it's giving me a bigger stop loss. But by taking these, I'm going to be building my account buffer, so that way when I get the 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio or the 1 to 7 risk to reward ratio, I have a bigger account balance, so I can actually be making more money on that setup. And I actually found a little error that I made. US 30 isn't playing off of this zone. You guys can see this is not a real break of structure, which means it's really playing off of this zone over here, which means I could extend my take profits all the way to this level here, actually giving me a bigger risk to reward ratio than I was initially expecting. Come on, come on. Bang! Take profit smacked, bro. Come on. Still undefeated in the month of May. No losses, bro. Look at this. You will not find a better strategy than this. This strategy is way too nice, bro. I was in this trade for like 11 minutes. I don't remember the last time I had to sit on the chart for like over 30 minutes, bro. It's insane. It's insane. I have like full financial, full-time freedom, like genuinely the greatest trading strategy in the world. If you guys want the fundamental breakdowns like the one that I shared today, make sure you join the free Telegram. Link is in the description because that's where I share all these. I'm telling you guys, you can try to find all these. I've built this entire ecosystem that scrapes all the news data, verifies it, makes sure that it's an actual real source that's going to affect the market, and then it gets sent out in the Telegram, bro. It's like, this is what I do for you. And I challenge everyone here, go in the free Telegram, look at every single time I've sent any remark, right? Like if I say, oh, this should be bullish for the indices, look at the time I sent it and then go look at how the charts play out. I literally don't miss, man. I don't miss. We're back with the Breakfast of Champions right here. Joe got pretty much the same thing, but ice shaken horchata. Yeah, so. But guys, I had probably the most full circle moment of my life today. 6 years ago when I got in the industry, you know, Q-Bank's one of the people who I really looked up to. And today, he texted me saying, what did you see to fundamentally catch the US 30 move? And like, I literally broke down the fundamentals behind that move and pretty much taught him a little bit behind that. So it's just like, bro, it's mind blowing to me, you know? I just feel like everybody out there, you have to realize, like, never doubt the potential that you have. Never set a ceiling for yourself. I hear so many people say like, oh, I know, like I'll probably only reach this level. Why? Why? You can reach so much more. The person who thinks they can and the person who thinks they can't are both right. So the only thing it's gonna come down to is how delusional you are with yourself. I love being called delusional. The more delusional I've been in my life, the more success I've ever had. Like, I remember my sophomore year when I was racing track, the first race I had, I asked my coach, hey, what's the school record here? And he tells me, and I was literally half a second off. Half a second in track is something huge. But I told him, oh, I think I could break that. And by the end of the season, I broke that school record. But it's all because I never doubted myself. I never told myself I couldn't do it. So I made it happen. You guys can see we smacked take profit, and then the trade literally completely reversed. Like barely hit take profit right there, and then it completely reverses. And the reason why, and once again, I'm sending all this in my free Telegram, so make sure you guys are in there. The link is in the description. But you could see here, The US rejected Iran's new proposal. After I sent that, absolutely tanks. And then I sent again, Trump does not agree with Iran's new proposal and there's possibility of war resuming. Once again, that's very war on sentiment. So you're gonna see the stock market drop. And then Trump absolutely went off, like completely crashed out on Iran via Truth Social. So all these things are gonna be pointing towards bearish indices. I already took my winning trade, plus like the volume of the New York Open was in my favor and everything. So I'm not looking to enter anything else right now, but I'm definitely still monitoring just to stay in tune with it. And like I said, I sent all those in the free Telegram. Make sure y'all are in there. All right, guys, we came to Design District, and I'm not gonna lie, every single store has a terrible selection. And all this inspired me to do is like, I feel like I gotta make my own clothes. There's like, I've been starting to get so picky. I don't even think like I dress fly or anything. I think I'm very basic with how I dress, but I think I just gotta start making my own stuff. Maybe we can do some stuff for the brand now, you know, and turn it into a whole movement. So anybody who has experience with designing clothes and stuff, hit me up, you know, let me know what we could do. I would love to get some stuff going. Oh guys, it's 12:37. I'm waking up 3 hours after market open. Look, my laptop isn't even unlocked. But guys, we're gonna try to find a setup right now. We might find one, we might not. I mean, most of the moves probably happen. At the worst case, we're gonna learn exactly what happened this session and apply that knowledge and take it into the next session. Let's see what we can find. So guys, there was no high impact news release for the dollar today, but I did find this. Trump, Iran is begging to make a deal. Trump, Gulf states are negotiating. Israel too. We're not leaving Iran yet. We're going to do it right. There may be other initiatives to keep gasoline down. Trump on Iran and oil prices. It won't be much longer. To me, this is a very optimistic remark. And like I said, guys, I always send these in my free Telegram. And I even broke down my thought process for this. I said, taking this as a bullish indices remark. He's insinuating that we are finding resolutions and that the war should be ending soon via an agreement made. So now when I look at the chart, I can already see NASDAQ has rallied up. Let's check out US 30. US 30 is also pretty rallied up. So I would need some sort of pullback, which we'll wait to see if we get or not. But I mean, that's 100% on me. I really like trade the strategy at New York Open, but today, you know, I'm 3 hours late to the party. So we'll see if there's anything I can even catch. Now I did find one thing very interesting, and I did send this with the free Telegram. I said, optimism for war ending should also mean we see US oil sell off and gold pump. If you guys look at oil right now, look left. We had this level here, which broke all the structure towards the downside. Price is now in it, gave us bullish, indecisive, and then finally the bearish below the 50 over there. So I'm getting in a little bit late on this one, but we should be able to see this drop like all the way towards here, realistically all the way down towards here. But I don't want to hold this into a new market session, so I'm going to be playing this based on the volume. And now we're in. We just got a really good scaling opportunity. See how price pulls back into this new order block after we broke the structure, then gives us bullish, indecisive, bearish below the 50. Gonna be entering again. Come on, man. Come on, this one should bang, bro. Trump literally said that oil prices won't be much longer and that there's other initiatives to keep gasoline down. So, man, if that's not telling me to sell oil, I don't know what is. Guys, what can I say? What can I say? Bang! Another profitable trading day, bro. We have not lost in the month of May. Today is May 19th, bro. Are you kidding me? I'm telling y'all, this strategy is way too nice. Good morning, y'all. Another day out here in Miami. It's actually my last day. So Andre Diaz came back out. It's gonna be a very special vlog. We got this yacht, and we can't leave this yacht until we hit a winning trade today. So far, I'm undefeated on the month. I'm looking to extend that. I haven't traded a single Wednesday this month. Today is Wednesday, so I hope that doesn't affect, you know, the win rate. But we'll see how it goes. I'm confident that if we find the fundamental bias, we let the technicals align, we'll still hit a winning, very profitable trade. Let's see what we can find. All right, y'all. New office today. We got the live trading. Me and Andre running the most generational 2-man plus trading session right now. Let's see what we can find. Oh, yo, today's FOMC meeting minutes. All right, so I just sent this out of my free Telegram. Trump, fantastic economic numbers yesterday. Taking this as a bullish indices remark. You guys can see Dow Jones, damn, bro, this thing melted to open. Which is like, you guys see that? I marked up the 50% level. If we get a candle closure up there on the minute 5, I'll hop in. That's like the one thing I'm seeing for today. Oh, the bridge went up. Bro, I hate being caught on the opposite side of that. Bro, on my birthday, you know, they don't bring you on until everybody's here. Everybody was here except for one guy who my buddy invited, and that one guy got stuck on the other side of the bridge. So we were late like 30 minutes just because of that. Bro, look, Naz gave me like, it followed my bias, but it didn't give me the entry, so I had to miss out on that one. See, I wouldn't get in on this because it didn't close above the 50. Give me that close. I'm in. Oh, it's a vibe. We gotta get a yacht. We gotta buy one. I gotta do the challenge like 3 more times to buy one of these. Oh, man, this shit's about to die. Don't doubt me, come on. What other job do you know where you can freaking be posted up on a yacht with the boys, with your girl, you know, chilling, making money? It's 9:57. We didn't clock in, we didn't do none of that. As a trader, the worst days of the week because the markets are closed. But come on, man, come on. Let's see how this plays out. Not bad, not bad, not bad. It's 9:58 a.m. I'm waiting on Nas to drop more, bro. I think Nas is gonna clear today's lows. I don't want to take my first L of the month, bro. It's not looking good, chat. It's not looking good so far.
So let's just give it a little tour of this. 65 for yacht. Now we about to give a little tour of the inside. Shout out Ali Tricks, what happened?
We need some drawdown.
Yeah.
We'll see, we'll see.
See, that boy risking more than I got.
It's okay.
Ain't no risk, no Rari. It ain't over yet. Just gotta be patient. Next thing we know, after I give this little tour, he might be in some profit. So let's go look at this tour. You got over here, you got the kitchen. You got all this Don Julio. Probably empty, obviously. They wouldn't give us that. You got 2 bedrooms. This is gonna be where Ali sleeps. Another bedroom with all these freak ass mirrors. Look at this. Shower, bathroom, nothing crazy. You even got a little window there too.
See, bro, we're still in that drawdown.
Oh, yeah.
This is this month, bro. We haven't lost this month yet. We've been hidden, bro. One thing a lot of people get wrong about trading is either you're in drawdown, you panic, or like people will take a loss and be like, oh fuck, I gotta make it back. And then, you know, you go down the spiral, you end up blowing your entire account. That ain't the way to go, bro. Even if I lose this one, even if you lose 90% of your account, right? That shit ain't over until it's fully over. Give me that recovery. Yo, look at this candle. That'll be a really nice way to close the minute 15 right there. You ever trade, bro? Hey, yeah, pull up. You've heard of trading?
Yeah, of course.
All right, so me and my boy, we do, I mean, like basically like, bro, we trade like Forex or futures basically. So right now I'm trading, so Dow Jones is a collective of like 30 different stocks, the industrial stocks. And my whole system is based on one thing. I don't try to predict what way the markets are going. Like a lot of people use like certain patterns and shit. The thing that I do is I look at actual data. There's like actual news releases always coming out, like how the economy is actually doing. So I look at it from a numbers perspective to find my direction. And then from there, I decide like, okay, today I should be looking to buy or today I should be looking to sell. So when you were sitting right there, I was down 90 grand. Now I'm down, 10. Shit moves like that. But obviously, it's not overnight. It took me a while to get to this level. But basically, like today, for example, my whole setup behind this is because Trump was talking about the economy and he goes, fantastic economic numbers yesterday. And so to me, it's like, bro, if the fucking president is telling you like fantastic economic numbers, bro, I'm back in profit. Like, dog, bro, this shit's flying right now, bro. What the fuck?
You guys have the Forex courses and stuff?
I do everything free. Yeah. I have a Telegram. I got you. You're 19, yeah? Bro, I started when I was 17. I'm 23 now. Okay, it took me 2 years to start seeing some money. Year 3 was like pretty nasty. Year 4 was savage, bro. Like honestly. Year 5, this has been my fucking best year by a mile, bro. We're about to hit TP. Like we literally are about to win, bro. Come on, bro. It's literally right there, dog. Come on, man. It's literally right there.
Okay, but that's why having that risk management.
Is it? Bang! Undefeated month still, bro. On a Wednesday. And we out on the yacht, bro. Appreciate it, bro. The month. Look at the month, dog. It pushed back up, bro. Fundamentals don't fucking lie. Yeah, bro. We be doing streams. We be doing it all. Bro, you just saw firsthand. Like, bro, we got to get you locked in. You have my number, yeah? So I'll show you right now. So this is my new page. This is a great way to learn too. So you'll see here, if you look here, bro, every day, whatever trade I take, I break it down just like this. And I show exactly like step by step what it was so people could learn from that. I don't gatekeep it, bro. No course for sale, nothing like that. I just fucking put it here. And then click in the bio, that'll take you to my Telegram. Trade has hit. Boat is docked, bro. Look at this, bro. Bro, this is the perfect day to be out here too.
The great weather.
Hey, we could jump in, yeah? Yeah, now we about to get on the jet skis. It just pulled up. It's about to be fun, bro. The weather's perfect today, man. Crazy, like I like to talk about this a lot, man. Every loss is such a blessing in disguise, bro. Like, imagine had I never torn my hamstring, I would never have the opportunity to travel the world with my girl, freaking out here doing whatever we want, whenever we want. And like, bro, that's reality is, if you're watching this video, that's probably gonna be your future. And like, I challenge all y'all, comment in the description what you think your future looks like. That way, every single time somebody likes your comment, it reminds you that that's your goal. Comment what your future looks like. Comment what you're gonna do to get there. Comment how it sounds when you're gonna be on the jet ski. Like this. Oh, I'm upgraded.
Diamonds on diamonds and hammers on helmets. I'm a big shot, what he holds you
Beautiful
around.
city of
Talking about
Miami.
billions, he talking on camera. Think he a 30, ain't nothing but a rental. Molly Santana,
Andre's
new
finally
Hannah
coming out.
Montana. Molly Santana, new Hannah Montana. Molly Santana, new Hannah Montana. Molly Santana, new Hannah Montana. Yeah.
Guys, they scammed us. I tried switching jet skis with Andre because this wasn't working. Now this one won't even drive. Andre to the rescue. We're plotting the whole scheme right here. Andre towing service. Charge me all this money, this shit don't even work. I didn't even get to use it. Shit's all clogged. Oh, how the fuck that happened?
You guys went over a big patch of seaweed. I saw you guys out there.
So it was really just fucking seaweed stuff. Not on Andre, bro, because I guess coming out and he didn't fucking see all the seaweed he went over.
Diamonds on diamonds and hammers on hammers. I'm a big shot, what he holds you around us. Talking about billions, he talking on camera. Think he a 30, ain't nothing but a rental.
Oh man, bro, look, like, I just want to like thank God for these days, bro. Sun is beaming, me, my wife, my boy, his wife, bro, like, what else could you ask for? You sit there, we trade 35 minutes, trade hits, get some jet skis, the jet skis break down, it's all good. Nice yacht ride through Miami, bro. Sometimes life feels so surreal, bro. Like, I just know that 17-year-old version of me will be so mind blown seeing this, bro. And the funny thing is, like, I'm just getting started, bro. The industry is gonna feel us. I keep talking about this, bro. You know how many people have been sending me their trades hitting profit after profit after profit, all because I shared the fundamental analysis, bro? Like, we're literally changing the game. Everybody out here was lying, y'all saying, oh, it's technicals. Oh, look for this, look for that. Bro, that ain't shit. It's fundamentals first, bro. Fundamentals are what create all of the price action. If you learn how to trade it, you will never feel like you're guessing where the direction of the market is again, bro. We're undefeated in the month of May. Every trade shared publicly, every trade, bro. The industry's gonna feel us, man. It's too nice. It's way too nice. Great yacht ride, guys. We're wrapping up. But my boy over here, since he wants to learn, I'm gonna tell you this, all right? We already paid for everything, but I can either give you an extra $100 tip, or I give you $200 in a trading account.
Second option.
All right. We'll set it up. Text me.
Perfect.
I got you, bro. All right. Hey, I want to see you sending me profits, all right?
Of course.
For sure, go ski.
Learn off you, brother.
Let's do it. All right, I'm back at the setup, and I had that kid sign up on the broker, and I'm gonna be getting him a 250% deposit bonus on top of the 200 that I'm giving him. So I'm giving him $200 to trade live, but he's also gonna get an extra $500 in bonus to trade with. So he's gonna have a $700 account. Here you guys can see he just sent me his crypto address right there. We're gonna scan it. Boom. Or hey, yacht guy. Add the address. 200 USDT. Boom. If you guys want that same 250% deposit bonus, all you have to do is sign up for the same broker. Link is in the description. And then when you go deposit, put promo code Ali Trades. Super simple. You'll get it immediately added to your account. And if you guys need any help with that, you can always just message me on Telegram. But let's see what else we do. Back home, but look what I actually found over here. This is where it all started, the road to 1 million whiteboard. You guys can see when we left, $324,000 account balance with a weekly goal of 400K. Fast forward 6 weeks later, we're at 1.4 million in profits, bro. From 0 to 1.4 million in a total of 14 weeks. And I think that now, being back home, seeing my Maybach, it feels a little bit lonely. I want to add a supercar to the fleet finally. And it just feels like the perfect time to withdraw out of this account. So let's go do that right now. Here you guys can see this is the account that we have been trading. We're going to be withdrawing the funds right here. Pick my wallet. And we're just going to be putting in the full amount, 1099188. $1,099,188. Withdraw from the account. And now all we have to do is verify the withdrawal email. So it just sent me the email right now. Refreshing. Here's the email. You're receiving this email because you ever requested a withdrawal of $1,099,000. We click the little button below, and your trade withdrawal is now verified, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God, man. That is the most I have ever withdrawn. I already did my biggest withdrawal last time. But bro, the fact that this account literally started with $0 is just mind blowing, guys. And oh my God. It's good to be back home. I'm gonna go be playing soccer with the boys now, guys. And let's see what else we got. Bro, I don't know what to do. My phone with all my crypto on it is missing. Bro, the location won't update. I was playing soccer with my buddies. We saw these two strange guys like standing there. We finished playing. My phone is missing. Everybody looks for it. Nobody can find it. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go home. You just find my iPhone. Bro, it won't ping. I set it as lost. I don't have my seed phrases, bro. I don't know what to do, bro. Like, Guys, if you see this in the video, it's because I still can't find my phone. If anybody can help me, bro, $100,000 cash prize. Like, bro, like literally all my hard work, bro. All my hard work, bro. I don't know what to do. I'm going back. Like, bro, I gotta check the security footage or something. Like, all my hard work, bro. Now we're trying to pull up the footage. Field 10. Yo, chat, anyone watching, we're trying to find this out. Is that today or yesterday?
Yesterday.
And then, but in a couple hours, it'll upload today's?
Most likely.
All right, bro. That's our best bet. Can you see the net right there?
Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, so
Perfect
they'll be
angle.
right there. They'll be back there, and we'll see them. We don't even need to see their face, because we'll be able to see just two guys pull up, leave, and then we can have them cross-reference the footage, see what car they went in. That's the play. We got to figure that out tomorrow.
What's your name in the meantime?
Ali Ahmed. AliAhmed.
Okay. And then it's an iPhone?
Yes, it's an iPhone 16.
Do you have all the serial number and stuff?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay.
I don't, you mean like on me right now?
Yeah, because they'll need that for the report. Because what happens is we put it into a system where it shows stolen. So if anybody tries to activate it, it'll come up as a stolen phone.
God damn it, man. All right, so they just took down the address, but I don't have my phone, IMEI and all that stuff. So I need to go back and get it, but they just took down the address. They're gonna send service to the spot. Hopefully they can get this figured out.
Talking after today.
My phone was stolen last night.
Okay.
So there was these two guys who showed up a little late. Afterwards, I spoke with my friends. We all thought they looked a little like suspect, like just like they didn't look like our crew. It's winter stays on. We won a couple games, then we get off. I look for my phone. I can't find it. And I noticed those guys didn't even come to play.
Okay.
So the whole thing is when I saw two random guys, I was like, I haven't been here in a while. They're probably just new guys with the group.
Yeah.
Didn't see them. I'm pretty certain it's them. I tried to get the people to show me the footage.
Now, this camera footage, if it exists, you think it'll pick up where they took your phone from?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay.
The reason why I'm worried is I have my crypto on that phone. And so that's like,
Is it stored on that phone, or is it just electronically?
no, it's like stored on that phone. It's like essentially my ledger. So quite possibly the worst. Erase pending. Bro. Oh my God, man. We literally have the video of these guys stealing the phone. Look, I'm on the yellow team. They did this literally 15 minutes, like 15 seconds before I left. They're right there. Oh, it just happened. Orange team is waiting, and there's these two strangers right here. And watch, you're going to see him bend over. He grabs my phone, passes it to his boy, and they leave. And that's me right there. I'm walking out. Literally right after this, I go look for my phone. So as I'm looking for my phone, they're right there. God, man. I don't even know what the point is of stealing an iPhone in 2026. Bro, the fucking bums, bro. Scummiest of scum, these guys.